This is NARNE EAST City, the dream project of Ranga Rao, one of the wizard and one of the most powerful real estate developer in this country. NARNE EAST City is spread over near about 100 square kilometers, and the neighboring villages, Janagam, Revgamgura, Mittu, Somaram, Angsapuram, it is maybe some 1,000 square kilometers. He is the monarch, he is the king. He passed away a few years back, but now the project has been handed over to the landlords, to the landowners, and they are very serious about it. You see the beautiful things happening. This is the transformer which is being erected in sector 3 here, just from the crossroad here you see. That is the crossroad, GPR NARNE City Road. If you come near about 500 meters, you will find this transformer has been put. I thank the Department of Electricity of the Government of Telangana, led by a great Chief Minister, Mr. Ravindra Reddy, a progressive man. He wants that NARNE City should develop. People should come from different parts of the country. They should build up their house, and so the growth of this NARNE City is inevitable. See, people are coming, fencing. All these things are happening. Lines have been erected. The power has come from Parmat Somaram Road. All are fresh. It is not the old lines erected by Ranga Rao. They are very new commissioning. Transformer is put today on the plank, on the dash. Really wonderful. It's very satisfying. It is very, very joyful moment for me, because I am staying here for last 30 years. And our boys and experts are doing wonderful job. You see how much risking they are doing, but they are doing great. And some of the great things you can find here is City Gram Panchayat Park, Bibinagar, Sector 3, Block I, and survey number 584. This is basically a park, but it is not free. Lot of sacrifices have been made by a lot of great people. There are some of the people who are really encouraging customers to come here, settle down, and make their house and bring the dreams of the Ranga Rao project reality and truth. And that is happening slowly and steadily. It will have its glorious moment. What Ranga Rao sir told, it is Chandigarh of South. Lot of activities on, and I am very happy. I was alone in the forest, but one setback has come, friends. When the development is occurring, the vegetation, what you call all the trees and green, and they are being demolished. Thousands of nemlis were here. These birds have a lot of threats. They are big birds, and they are having no shelter now. These kind of bushes were earlier plenty, but now they are gone. So what is happening, it is a very miserable condition here. I have requested the Honorable District Collector, also the Forest Department, Nalgonda and Bongir. Please, you see that there are a lot of forest land here. Give some shelter, also provide some cereals or some food and some water to the national birds, what we call nemlis. So thank you, congratulations, the plot owners and the landowners and the developers and the stakeholders. I can few, Baswar Yadav, Baswar Raj, Satnarayan Gaur, Ravi Teja. There are so many stakeholders who are really putting their best to see the NARNE City is coming. And government is also showing interest. Gram Panchayat, Mr. Srinivas is active, and the leader, those who are responsible for the growth of Bibinagar, they are also putting their best. GPR team is very active. Lot more things are happening here. Congratulations every stakeholder. I am really the happiest. I am the most joyful person because I am getting a lot of friends now and neighbors. Thank you, viewers. Thank you.